Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to set B4 GIS paper size in Excel. So very easily you can set this paper size in Excel. So firstly you need to select here this tab, page layout, this tab. So just click on it. Now size, and here you see this B4 GIS. So just click on it to set it, and you not see here, so click on more paper size, and here you can select this B4 GIS, this paper size you can select it. So very easily you can set it. Now press OK. So this way you can very easily set it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.